Hi guys, welcome to Rancho Fury Garage. My name is Mario. Welcome to another episode. In this video, you'll see the removal process of the floor pan and the installation of the new one. What I did is I started out on the passenger side rocker panel where the rocker panel meets the floor pan. I cut along the perimeter and to the footwell, over the tunnel, to the through the driver's side footwell, and again across the driver's side rocker panel, and then across the truck bed. So that was the method that I took to remove the old floor pan. And I also made sure that the openings, I cut extra metal off the openings just so that I have a installing the floor pan, the new one, will be a smooth transition. And it worked out pretty good. So today that was just the installation of the new floor pan. I didn't do any welds. I just placed the floor pan in place, put in the 1-inch body lift, and secured it with the bolts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Okay, so the radiator support is pretty level. Right there, windshield cowl is level. I've braced the door. Same for the rear of the truck bed. Also on the driver's side, I braced the door opening. But I did notice that after squaring the body, leveling the top of the windshield cowl and radiator support, I noticed that the dimensions have changed. When I first measured the corner of the windshield over there, top corner to the corner of the B pillar post, the initial measurement that I got was 67.25 inch. After squaring the body, it came out to 68 and 13/16. That's after squaring. And the same thing. First measurement that I got was 67 3/8 inch, and after, it's 69. After squaring it. So I'm gonna go with the 69. So now I'm ready to cut. So I'll be cutting from the edge where it meets the passenger side rocker panel, right across to the passenger floor pan, across the tunnel, down to the driver's side floor pan, and right across to the driver's side rocker panel. Rocker panel seam right here, and right across here. That's where I'll be cutting. Okay, so this is the opening for the floor pan right here. I put no step because there is no more support here. So the spot weld came off, and this is just hanging. So the next step would be to put in the new floor pan assembly. Okay, so actually there's a couple of more steps that I need to do before I install the new floor pan assembly. So what I'm trying to do here is to get the frame level. This is probably where one of the flattest parts for the frame rail. So I'm going to put it right there. So what I'm trying to do is to have these bottle jacks lift the frame rail so that it's becomes level. So as it sits, it's a little offsetted. The front is lower right now by about a quarter of an inch. So I need to pump the bottle jack so that it sits level, and I need to do that on both sides. And the same thing here. I need to make sure that it's level across the frame rails also. Okay, so the front end is lower than the rear. So what I'm trying to do is to raise the front up so that the whole frame rail is level. And the same thing across the panel. It has to be, this right here has to be level and lengthwise. Okay. So right now, lengthwise, the frame rail is level. And also across the floor pan, it's also level. Yeah. So we're just gonna hold it like this, right? Okay. Then we're gonna drop it down like this. I'm gonna switch over, and then I'm gonna reach over here, and then we're just gonna drop it down slowly.
So it's perfect from.
Yeah, yeah. The opening should be. Can you take that one? Take that off. So that level at the. Oh. Okay, it's better right here on top. You want it there?
Whoops, hold it.
Hold it there. There you go.
yours.
It's almost in. Just gotta hold it this side. Okay, you want to go on that
I'll
side?
switch.
Over
Let me try to.
oh, okay, that's way. Okay, that's why it's not going in. Okay, hold it, hold it. Okay, I'm putting back the level in place where the body mounts would have been, and yeah, the bubble's still in between the lines. Same thing here. Still in between the lines, so this whole floor pan here is flat. So the reason why I kept the rocker panels in place is to make sure that this whole alignment here on the B pillar post and the A pillar post is still square. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow that. That's why I didn't want to remove it. Piece by piece, I'll cut the rocker panels and then put the new ones in place. It'll be the same thing for the other side.